Hey there, all you cool cats and kittens. So, you got your rough draft done. Excellent. I'm very proud of you. Now, it's time for you to go back and revise because it was, in fact, a rough draft, which means that you're not done. That was just your sort of first shot at it. Now, what I want you guys to do is you guys have the first 2 days, Monday and Tuesday of the week, to just go back, to look through your stuff, to make changes, to fix things. However, if you're feeling like, hey, I'm pretty done, like I feel really good about it, I think that I'm good to go, then you should get an early start on Wednesday's assignment. You can start Wednesday's assignment as early as Monday. You can wait until Wednesday to start it. It is fine either way, but it's going to guide you in your editing and revising process. So, in this assignment, you guys are going to have another instructional video that's going to walk you through exactly what you need to do. But just know that it does have some stages and steps. So like I said, even though I'm assigning it on Wednesday and that's when it's due, you can in fact start it on Monday if you would like, as the purpose of it is to guide you in your revising and editing. There's another important note about this week. As you guys can see, there aren't any split boxes in the weekly agenda where I have, this day we're going to do periods 1 through 4, and then this is 5 through 8, etc. Because this week is an unusual circumstance, because Thursday and Friday you guys aren't going to have any Zoom sessions and you guys don't have any assignments due for any of your classes, because you guys are going to be working on those 8th grade ceremony videos. So as a result, what I've done is, because I wanted to keep things fair and balanced for all of my different class periods, is I've actually kind of changed things a little bit. Instead of making it so that my periods 1 through 4 would get a Zoom session and my periods 5 through 8 wouldn't, since we don't have class on Thursday, what I decided to do instead is actually just make my period 1 block and my period 3 block open to literally anyone and everyone. And if you're like, well, I have elective classes during periods 1 and period 3, I can't come, then I went ahead and also opened up essentially like another of my virtual open office hours on Tuesday. So you can come meet with me after classes if you have both of those periods blocked. But again, those are optional. You don't have to meet with me at all this week. Basically, think of it like this. You've got open office hours on Monday, 3 different open office hour blocks on Tuesday, and then another open office hour block on Wednesday to meet with me if you have any questions, if you have met any snags, if you are confused, if you haven't turned in your rough draft. These are the things that really you should be taking time to meet with me. So this week is just a chance for you to go back and look at what you've done and start making it better, because next week you guys are going to be turning it in. That's right, your project is due. So use this week to really hone in, fix, edit, change, do any additions you need before you get it all shiny and pretty and good to go. So that's it. Like I said, you're just revising, and then you guys are going to complete this assignment with another video inside of that walking you through the steps. All right. Bye, all you cool cats and kittens.